How to fix cellular data is not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open. First of all, check your cellular data. If you have active any package and it's not working, then swipe down to your control center. And here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, your cellular data works properly. If it doesn't work properly, then open settings and scroll down and click on general. Now scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. In second, you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your passcode to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and scroll down and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.